Whose is it anyway? Decoding Interrogative Adjectives. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on interrogative adjectives. Today, we are going to tackle an interesting topic, a very common and sometimes confusing interrogative adjective, whose. Get ready to dive deep into the world of questioning possession in English. Whose is an interrogative adjective that we use to ask questions about possession. It helps us to understand who something belongs to. For example, whose book is this? Means, to whom does this book belong? Remember, like all adjectives, whose will always be followed by a noun or a noun phrase. For example, whose pencil is this? Or, whose red jacket is on the chair? Now let's delve into some examples to make this clearer. When you see a hat left behind in a room, you might ask, whose hat is this? If you found a wallet on the ground, you might ask, whose wallet is this? If there's a car parked blocking your driveway, you could ask, whose car is this? See the pattern? Whose helps us ask questions about ownership or possession. Interrogative adjectives, including whose, are often used in everyday conversations. Let's take a look at some dialogues. Mary, whose phone is this? John, it's my phone. Mary. Teacher, whose homework is this without a name? Student, sorry, teacher. It's mine. Remember, whose is all about questioning possession or ownership in a conversation. A common mistake made by learners is confusing whose with whose. Remember, whose is a contraction of who is or who has. For example, who's going to the party? Who is? Or who's got the keys? Who has? This is different from whose, which asks about ownership. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to use the interrogative adjective, whose. The next time you need to find out who something belongs to, you'll know exactly what to ask. Remember to keep practicing, as it's the best way to reinforce your learning. We look forward to seeing you in our next video where we'll continue to demystify the English language, one topic at a time. Happy learning!